Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to balance this reaction. This is sodium carbonate, this is hydrochloric acid, this is sodium chloride, this is water, and this is carbon dioxide. Okay, to balance this reaction we have to do a table like this. So in the left hand side we have sodium, which is 2, then we have here carbon, right, which is 1, then here we have oxygen, which is 3, and here we have hydrogen, which is 1, then here we have chlorine, which is also 1. So in the right hand side we have sodium, so let me write 1, then here we have chlorine, which is 1, then here we have hydrogen, that is 2, then here we have oxygen, which is 1, then here we have carbon, which is 1, then here we have 2 more oxygen, so let me add. So basically we are getting 3 oxygen, right? Okay, to balance this reaction means we have to balance the number of sodium, carbon, oxygen, hydrogen and chlorine from both sides of this reaction. Look, this oxygen has come from more than one compounds. This oxygen has come from water and carbon dioxide, right? Totally we are getting 3. If a element comes from more than one compounds, then you have to target that element to balance at last. So we'll balance oxygen to balance at last. So let me balance the sodium. So sodium here 2, but here 1. So to balance the sodium, what can you do? You can simply multiply here by 2, that gives me 2. The rule is that if you multiply by something, that something will come before the atom, and this sodium has come from here, so this 2 will come here as a coefficient. So now the number of sodium is 2, already we have written. The number of chlorine will be 2, so we need to update the number of chlorine. Okay, so look, sodium 2 2, then here carbon 1 1, oxygen here 3, but here also 3, so balanced. Here hydrogen 1 by hydrogen 2. So to balance the hydrogen, what can I do? I can multiply here by 2, that gives me 2 hydrogen. This 2 must come before this hydrogen, that is this hydrogen has come from here, so we have to place here 2. If I place here 2, the number of hydrogen is 2, the number of chlorine will be 2. So let me update the number of chlorine, 2. Now look, sodium here 2 and here 2, so sodium is balanced. Now chlorine here 1 and here 1, so chlorine is balanced, right? Then oxygen 3, so oxygen is balanced. Then hydrogen 2, so hydrogen is balanced. Then chlorine 2, so chlorine is balanced. So everything is balanced, so you can say that this is the balanced chemical reaction, right? So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.